everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra if this is your first time here, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys what you all should have in your cart for the Sephora sale. So if you want to see what should be in your cart, stay tuned. Before I forget, everybody, FYI, I am going to put the names of everything down in the bottom description box in the order that I put them there, with the links as well. So just keep that in mind, just in case you're asking for me to put on the screen. I'll put it down in the bottom description box so that you can see it, and let's just go. Okay, everyone, so I'm gonna be looking in my phone so I can remember everything, because that's exactly what's in my actual cart, baby girl. Okay, so the first product I feel like everyone should have is going to be the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm, and you get a lot of hydration and shine. And if you're someone who just wants, you know, you don't really want lip gloss, but you want something that's going to give you a little bit of shine but also hydrating to the lips, you should definitely get this. Okay, the colors that I have tried that I have loved is going to be the vanilla beige, and also the brown sugar. So the brown sugar and the vanilla beige have a little bit more of a tint. So if you're just going out, you want to add a little color to your lips, because like I said, we are in fall, so you want to add a little bit of, you know, color to the lips, then that will give you a little bit of color with also a little bit of shine, not doing too much. It's like an everyday balm to keep in your purse. Now the vanilla shade is definitely more on the clear side, but you get that hint, the scent of vanilla, just like the other ones. They're all scented, but this is the only one that does not have a color to it, so it'll just make your lips look nice and juicy. Okay, so when that boo was coming across and you know he trying to be your man or whatever, he just, hey, okay, so the lips is gonna be giving some lips, okay baby? So just keep that in mind. Those are the three that I love the most. Those I do not walk out the house without, so boom, get that. Okay, and I think if I'm not mistaken, these are running for $24. So, and you can get it on Klarna and Afterpay and all those other things if that's what you need to get. Okay, on to the next. So the next one is going to be the One Size Translucent Powder. That is one product that you should definitely get. I always tell everybody that is the #1 setting powder that you should have, that you can bake with and also put on the rest of your face to keep you mattified, or kind of keep you semi-matte, just depending on the foundation that you wear. Now also, the shades that I believe everyone should have, of course, is the translucent shade. And if you are if you're dark skin or a little bit more on the light skin tone, if you would like to highlight underneath the eyes, then I would say go ahead and get the Sweet Honey one, so you can put that underneath to give you an extra highlight, or you can just do the translucent one. It just depends on how you want to be highlighted. Like today I am using the Sweet Honey to give me a little bit of brightness underneath the eye, so that's just my pick though. But it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, his setting powders and translucent powder, they are fire, so make sure to go get those. And that runs for that runs for $38 for the full size, and it has a miniature size for $18. So if you want to try it first, go ahead and get the 18. And if you don't, and you're just like, girl, I understand what you're saying, I got what you're saying, everything that I have bought from you ain't never missed, so I'm just gonna get the big size, go ahead and go get that, so you won't have to worry about getting it later. And on to the next. This product is going to be from FENTY Skin, and this one, it comes in a trio. So if you were not someone who were able to get all of the scents that she has had so far, because they are limited edition except for the original, then this is what you need to hop on if you really want to try, or you do not want to spend the damn near $40 for the big container. Okay, so they come in a Little Butter Drops Mini Whipped Oil Body Cream Trio. Okay, so you're gonna get three of her limited edition body butters, except for one, which is the original, of course. You're gonna get all three of those, and it's running for $59. So if you wanted to try it and didn't, this is the time to get it, because they're $59 right now, and I'm sure they're gonna sell out extremely quick, because I went to Sephora the other day, and before the sale there was only like one left, and there was like a whole bunch there. So just keep that in mind. And I have all three in the big containers, because at the time they were limited edition, so I guess she's coming out with them now for like the holidays, and you should definitely go out and get that. I love this scent. Now her most popular one is going to be the what is it called, the Warm Cinnamon Soft Gold Shimmer. Now what I will say about that really quickly is that the scent to me is a little strong, it's an amazing smelling body butter, but the thing is, to me, sometimes it comes off a little strong, so sometimes I might mix it with the original and mix it with the cinnamon one, and that's the one in the off-white container with all the shimmer on top of it. I'll do that. And one thing I wish she didn't do in all of her body butters, or if she would give us a choice of choosing, would be the shimmer, because she has like a massive amount of shimmer in her product, except for the original. Like, she has a massive amount of shimmer. Like, I wore it to my ex's house one time, and when I tell you, I put it on that night thinking I was gonna be looking all cute for him or whatever, right, going to bed, and when I tell you I woke up with all the shimmer all over his bed, like, yeah. So just keep that in mind. It is a lot of shimmer that is probably like not too bearable for some people, but yeah, let's just move on. The next product is going to be from TIK TOK, and this one is the Major Dimension 3 Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Lord, that was a lot to say. That one goes for $70, and if you're somebody who really loves matte eyeshadows like myself, then this is one of the perfect eyeshadows to go for. It's nude, it's natural, it's everyday. This is the one that you go with, you travel with. Like, you cannot miss with this palette ever. Like, this is like one of the best palettes I've seen this year. And also, if you would love a dupe for this, it's just not as many, and it's a little cheaper if to be on your budget. You go with the what is his called, the Makeup by Mario. He has a dupe for this, so if that works for you, then cool. That one I think goes for like $35–40. So if 70 is too high, definitely go and get the Makeup by Mario. But this TIK TOK baby, I went and seen this baby girl in person, and let me tell you, he didn't come to play, okay? He was doing his thing. He knew what the girls needed. He knew the girls, when winter time came, we wanted a matte eyeshadow. Okay, so this is your everyday. This is work, this is after night, this for everybody. So just go ahead and go get that, or get the Makeup by Mario. If your funds ain't hitting right now, go get that and then let me know later on. Okay, girl, so on to the next. Okay, so the next product you should be getting is going to be the One Size by Patrick Starr Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Okay, you should definitely get this product, because if you're hitting the water, or it rains, or anything to that effect, or it starts to snow, or wherever you are, you won't have to worry about your makeup moving. Okay, this is one thing you need in your makeup kit. Okay, so let me give you a quick rundown on what I mean by setting, because I think a lot of people get it confused when you say fix spray or you get setting spray. So a fix spray is definitely just something that's gonna, you spray across your face, and it will oxidize any type of powder or any type of product on your face, where it makes it look like it's extremely dry, or it makes it look like it is extremely powdery, like you have cake face. It will oxidize all those products, so it looks more like skin. Okay, so you won't have that powdery effect or anything like that. And then this is the setting spray. You would do your fix spray first, just to oxidize everything, and then you'll go in with your setting spray. Setting spray is what's gonna lock everything in, suck it into the skin, where you have no problem for the rest of the night. Okay, so you can go, you know, do your little one night, or you know, you do your little date night, and it's not going nowhere when you wake up in the morning, baby. But I do suggest to wash your face off at nighttime before you go to sleep. But you know, I don't know what y'all got going on. I don't know, you know, I don't know what bae giving at nighttime, you know. So on to the next. All right, girl. So the next product is gonna be from LANEIGE. This is called Midnight Minis Set. So let me tell you guys about this. So if you guys watch a previous vlog or previous makeup looks, you will know what it is that I'm talking about. So these are all lip masks that you wear at nighttime. You ever realize that your lips feel a little dry at nighttime after you do all your skincare routines and everything like that? This is what you would put on at nighttime to make sure to, you know, hydrate the skin, give all that, hydrate your lips, and make sure that you hydrate everything and that you feel real good in the morning, whatever, right? So what ends up happening is, normally for one full size, it is $24, okay? Like, when I first bought mine, I was like, damn, $24, that's a little steep, like, you know, a little steep, just for something for my lips or whatever. But I didn't understand, like, hello, you're not gonna be using that much on your lips. You don't use it on your lips, not like you're using it on the whole of your face, like, just on your lips, baby girl. So I will tell y'all, like, this is probably gonna last me till next year, maybe March, and I just bought it maybe 2 months ago, so it's gonna last you a very long time. But okay, but for this little mini set, you're getting 5 of them for $20. Okay, they might be minis, but baby girl, you're gonna be getting a lot of product. Like, this is gonna last you a lot. Matter of fact, no, 1 2 3, yeah, no, you're gonna be getting 5. At first I thought it was 6, but no, there's 5. So you're gonna get 5 of these for $20. I wish I would have waited, because y'all coming out with the sets. You know how long it's gonna take you to get through one, even though they're minis? Like, I can look at this and it's gonna last you, like, if you get it now, you probably won't need another one until next year around this time, for real, because this is a lot. Like, this is a lot. Like, at this moment, you might as well put them as stocking stuffers. Just take each one and give your family member each one, because you're gonna have this for a very long time. Okay, so definitely go out and get that, because I feel like it makes the lips very, you know, voluptuous. Okay, like, you know, you go to sleep with your little hair tie on, your man look at you, you know, you're gonna be looking real real greasy on the face, because, you know, you did your little skincare routine. But when he see them lips, when he see them lips, baby, he gonna kiss on you, but you gotta be like, oh, excuse me, like, I'm trying to be nice and juicy for the morning, like, you know. All right, y'all, so next. Okay, so the next product is going to be from Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro. This one is the travel perfume set, and this comes with 4 bottles altogether, and it runs for $34. Now let me tell you something. A full size for one, I think it's $20 normally. So this set that they just came out with, I think if you really been wanting to try a few of them, but you didn't want to buy each single one, I feel like you should get these. Try the one that you like, and if you end up liking all of them, cool. But if you end up liking maybe 1 or 2, keep those 2 and give the other 2 as stocking stuffers. Christmas is coming. Okay, don't be a hoarder. Share it with your people. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I feel like I've smelled 2 of these, and I think that only 2 of them were good, which was the, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was the 68. Was it 62 or 68? No, it was 68, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was 68, and then I think it was the original, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't end up getting it because somebody told me that they were going to be coming out with sets later on, so I just kind of said I was going to wait on it. But I didn't smell the other 2 because they didn't have a tester for it, so I'm going to go and try them myself. And yeah, I'm definitely putting that in my cart for sure. As you can see, well, it's already in my cart, sis. What about you? Okay, everyone, so my last product is going to be from Color Wow. This one is the Dream Coat Anti-Frizz Treatment Duo Hair Set. So this one is going for $28. Now, if you watched, damn, I don't know if no, you're not gonna know about it. Okay, so there is a sale that I just bought from Ulta on the same exact product yesterday. It went on sale at Ulta for $6. But I wish I would have known that this was gonna go on sale, because they actually have a duo. So I'm getting a full size and a smaller size product. So I'm gonna be getting 2, and for this price I'm getting it for $28. So I don't know, I'm gonna try this first. I'm gonna try the one that I got first, and then I'm gonna see if I end up really liking it, and if so, then I'll just go get the double for $28. So pretty much what the Wow with the Dream Coat Anti-Frizz is pretty much I'm trying to see how I can say it. It is a product where if you are a natural girl, these are for my natural girls. I'm not really sure, I haven't been relaxed in over 12 years, so I'm not even sure if when I was relaxed did I deal with frizz. I don't remember if I ever dealt with frizz, but if you do, I just know at me as being a natural girl now, I know that my hair tends to frizz up when it's very when it has a lot of humidity outside. So this is supposed to be something that prevents any of that. Like, your hair will not frizz, it will not get extremely poofy, it's waterproof, so if it rains, the water is just gonna kind of touch it, but it's just gonna flow off, kind of like an umbrella. Like, you know, you have umbrella just drips on down. That's kind of what this is supposed to do. I'm actually gonna be trying it this week, but by the time I do this, I think the sale might be over. So, cause I just shampooed my hair not so long ago. But I will say, from the results and stuff that I've seen from other people, is what made me go out and get it. So I will say, try it out. If you like it, then keep it. If you don't, return it back and return it for something a little bit better. But for right now, from what I've seen off of reviews, this is not coming from me, this is off of reviews. I will review it later, but for right now, that's just something that was kind of like an impulse buy that I really wanted to try, because I do experience frizz and humidity, poofage and whatever. So just keep that in mind. And if you have tried it, or you're going to try it, or you buy it by the time I upload this video, please write down in the bottom description box how you feel about it, what you thought about it, or whatever. Tell your girl what's going on, or do I need to return it? Okay. Woo. All right, everyone, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to comment all the products that you liked, what you got, what you're going to get, what seems intriguing, what seems like something where I'm like, girl, throw it in the bag, okay? Let me know in the bottom box. And also, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Later.